Okay, good morning to all of you. As you know, today we'll be starting with physical education.
Good morning, sir.
Total there are 10 chapters in our book that we'll be starting. Bandari on switch off. Total there are 10 chapters in our book. We'll be dealing with the first chapter, that is planning in sports. And only first topic, that is objectives. What is planning? I think you might be giving exams or you go somewhere else, right? Before giving exam, you make your schedule or not. Yes, that schedule, how to study, when to study, which subject to study, what time to study, that is known as planning. But regarding sports, that is something different. Planning we have to do for everything, to conduct a tournament, to organize a tournament, for a smooth conduction of the tournament, that is planning. What is planning? The basic first step to pursue our... What? Planning is the first step to pursue our goal. To reach our goal is the basic step to reach our goal is planning. Okay? Bandari?
Sir, physical पढ़ा रहे हो कि business?
Physical. Chandwani?
नहीं sir,
planning. You want to read business or physical? Okay. Now I'll be giving you some definition. Take your copies. According to Cyril Hudson, to plan.
Sir, कौन सा?
हेलो सर.
To plan.
सर वो वेटिंग रूम में जतिन करवा ना. फोन आ रहा है कि मेरे को भी लो अंदर.
To plan is to produce a scheme of future action. To plan is to produce a scheme of future action to bring about specified matter and result at a particular cost in a specified period of time. That is planning. Basic step
रुक के आ रहे हो सर आप?
is planning. Okay. In simple terms.
सर आवाज साफ नहीं आ रही आपकी.
It is a simple process in arranging expected activities to reach a goal. That is planning. What are the, today only we will be dealing with one topic, that is objectives of planning. What are the objectives of planning? Only first topic. Tomorrow we will be dealing with that. Okay, knockout tournament, different types of committees, internal, external. But today only with objectives. What are the objectives of planning? What are the objectives of planning? To avoid last minute hassle. To avoid last minute problem. Okay. To bring out the best out of the sports person. That is why we do planning. Reducing the risk factor and improving performance. For all that we do planning. To coordinate efficiently, to coordinate successfully to conduct a tournament. For that we do planning. Okay, Harshal. And to avoid mistakes. Okay. Bandari.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, वो जतिन का फोन आ रहा है, वो बोल रहा है उसको भी अंदर लो, उसको वेटिंग रूम में बैठा.
5 minutes gone. Sorry.
5 minutes gone. Sorry, Jatin bye.
Okay, first step, to avoid last minute hassle. To conduct any tournament, I think, any sports activities, it requires a lot of time. I don't think that tomorrow you are conducting a tournament, so today you will start the planning. No. Planning has to start much before the scheduled time.
Yes, sir.
Purpose of planning is to execute any program in a systematic way, in a streamlined process, so that it goes smoothly. See, Olympics, do you think, for example, you are conducting an Olympic, it was to be conducted in 2020, where? Tokyo. Do you think that the venue was given one day before or one year before? It was given almost 6 years back, right, to Tokyo.
Sir, Olympic करा दो.
That is why the Tokyo was ready to organize the tournament, Olympic Games within 6 years. Now, next Olympics is in like 2022 World Cup, where it is going to be organized in Qatar. But they got the opportunity, they got that, they came to know that they have to hold the tournament. So within 6 years, they are ready to hold the tournament 2022 in Qatar, World Cup football. Like that way, that is to avoid the last minute hassle. Purpose of planning is to execute any program in a streamlined manner so that it goes smoothly from the start to its finish. From the start means from getting the tournament until the finish. Okay, organizing till the starting of the tournament till end of the tournament. Sports events involve a large number of people. There will be sports person, there will be officials, there will be different media persons. You have to entertain everyone. For that, matches have to be held on time. For that, you need planning. That is the planning is. Second point, to coordinate successfully. See, before organizing tournament, you have to make different types of committees. That committees will be making, what types of committees have to be formed, that will be dealing tomorrow. But there have to be different coordination between, there have to be coordination among all of the people, among all the committees, so that the tournament is conducted successfully. If we are going to see, okay, sports day in our school only, do you think it is conducted within one day? Almost it takes 10 to 12 days, but the committees are differently made, right? Starter, yes, then comes who will bring the athletes, who will take the athletes to the dais. To coordinate successfully, there needs to be sound coordination between each committee. For example, reception committee, boarding and lodging committee, transportation committee, where the transportation committee, when the team arrives for a tournament, transportation committee had to be there at the particular venue to receive them. Either it can be bus stand, it can be railway station. So from there, they will come, okay, the particular team is coming. To make them arrange where they will stay, that is there should be a coordination between transportation committee and boarding and lodging committee. Similarly, with reception committee, okay, this team is coming, make all the documents ready. There needs to be a sound coordination between each committee involved in organizing a sports event. It is important to plan the coordination between these groups in advance only. After that, so that the tournament can be organized successfully. Understood, Paliwal? To avoid mistakes, see, all of us are human beings and we can bias only. We are not God, okay, we cannot do mistakes. But I think if we are planning properly, surely we can reduce our chances of mistakes. Understood? We should be efficiently able to supervise all the activities. I think tournament consists of multiple activities: opening, closing, pre, during, and post. Understood? Different types of committees are made for organizing a tournament. Pre, during, and post committees. There should be a coordination between committees so that we will be able to organize the tournament properly. Tournament consists of multiple activities: opening, closing ceremonies, entertainment programs. Good planning committee takes note of all these, and there is a good communication between all of them. There is a good communication between all of them. That is why we require planning. Next point, to coordinate successfully. There needs to be sound coordination between each committee involved in organizing a sporting event. It is important to plan the coordination between these groups in advance. Only they can work with each other successfully. before any tournament, any sporting event, we make committees so that there should be coordination between all of them, all of the committees, so that we are able to conduct the tournament in a smooth manner and super manner, so that it leaves a good track record behind it. To avoid mistakes that earlier I have told you, mistakes are bound to happen. After all, we are human beings, mistakes are bound to happen. Objective of good planning is to reduce the mistake. Objectives of good planning is to ensure that mistakes are reduced. Poorly planned event will leave everyone in unsatisfied, and the host will also not be satisfied. Okay, then next point comes to get best performance out of best performance out of the athletes. If the tournament is not performed, matches are not performed on time, the match running delayed, the players are getting hassled. What do you think? They will be able to give their best performance in the district. For example, in our district tournament, when we are going for playing, the match is scheduled at 10 o'clock, and we are made to play the game at 1 o'clock. Do you think we will be able to play? By that time, we will be feeling exhausted and tired. That is why to bring the best performance out of the players, we need to have good planning. Matches on scheduled time. Officials on particular. Then encouragement to innovation. Planning itself creates a spark for bringing up ideas to make events more interesting. Okay, planning itself creates a space for bringing up ideas to make events more interesting. It is possible when planning committee, see, right now planning committee, who is the head of the committee, if he takes suggestions from the different committee members, and if he listen to their suggestions, and if we implement their suggestion, then only the tournament or sporting event is performed in a smooth manner and in a good manner, and the results are very good. Okay, regarding objectives over. So what were the objectives? What we have learned today? To avoid last minute hassle, to efficiently supervise all activities, to coordinate successfully among all the committees, to avoid mistakes, to make room for innovation, and to bring out the best performance out of the athletes. What are the definitions of physical education? Again, I am telling you, according to Cyril L. Hudson, write it. To plan is to produce a scheme for future action, to bring about specified result at specified cost in a specified period of time. That was a definition given by a great physical educator, Cyril L. Hudson. Okay, other definition given by Alfred and Betty. Planning is the thinking process of organized foresight, vision based on facts and experience, which is required for an intelligent action. Again, I'm telling you, definition given by Alfred and Betty. Planning is a thinking process, the organized foresight, vision based on facts and experience that is required for intelligent action. In simple words, again, I am asking what is planning? Planning is the first step for pursuing our goals. Planning is the first step to pursue our goals. For example, I have told you to write this year you will be writing board exams. You know, by March or April you have to write the exams. So right now I think you might have started planning, okay, which subject when to study, by what time your course will be over.
Physical education.
Subject will be over, what time it has to be over. I don't think that, okay, in January only you will start reading. What you are doing, making a schedule of a timetable of a studies, that is known as planning. In simple words, that is planning. but we are dealing with the planning in sports. It is simply the process of arranging expected activities so that a certain goal is achieved. Or in a simple words, it is simply the process of arranging expected activities so that a certain goal can be achieved in a certain period. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, second topic we'll be dealing with different types of committees for organizing a tournament. Any tournament, when we have to organize, there are committees that are formed well before the tournament. Well before the tournament. I don't think that on the last minute only you will form the committees. There are different types of committees. For example, first of all, executive committee. It will include the patron, that is the principal of the school or the organization. Then comes boarding and lodging committee. Then comes transportation committee. Then comes equipment committee. Then comes official committee. Then comes entertainment committee, opening, reception committee. These are all the committees that have to be formed, that are formed for a tournament or any sporting event. That are formed well before the organizing of a tournament. Now, any doubt, any problem? I think you are able to understand what I taught you today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chandwani, any doubt?
Sir,
In simple words, you also know the meaning of planning. To reach our goals, that is known as planning. In a specified way, in a systematic way, that is planning. And definition I have given you, and what are the objectives again I am telling you.
By mistake.
To avoid last minute hassle, to efficiently supervise all the activities, to coordinate successfully, to avoid mistakes, to make room for innovation, and take out the best performance out of the athletes or the participants. Now, second topic which we will be dealing tomorrow is
इंटरहाउस होएगा क्या?
सर फुटबॉल का इंटरहाउस होएगा?
different committees for organizing a tournament. That already I have given you a hint. What are the different types of what are the different types
वो छोड़ो IPL करा दो.
What are different types of committees we have to deal and we usually forming for organizing a tournament. So, executive committee, then comes.
Now I Dion.
आके आ जाओ उसमें.
जाके आ रहा है. स्टॉप कर सकते हैं, बीच में जा रहा है, वापस आ रहा है.
सर्वर निकाल दी.
नहीं चला गया था सर. सर्कल आने लग जाता है.
कोई बात नहीं ना. ठीक है.
अब स्टॉप रिकॉर्ड.
Hello. I'm audible to you, students? Are audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please put off your video and also your mic. Mute it. Sir will start teaching you now. तो अब मैं आपको स्टार्ट कर लो फिर ये बात कट कर देंगे है ना. कितनी देर से 2 मिनट पहले. ठीक है. ये आप 2 मिनट पहले क्या कट कर देंगे.
आप याद रखना ही.
हाँ कट कर देंगे.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. और आप जो है इसको मैक्सिमाइज रखो.
मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ.
और प्लीज आप लोग अपने कैमरे को म्यूट कर लो और कैमरा ऑफ कर दो बेटा, क्योंकि ये रिकॉर्डिंग में भी जाएगा. यस, थैंक यू. कैमरा बंद करो ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज.
ये आपको काटना पड़ेगा, डिलीट करना पड़ेगा. ये
कैमरा बंद करो, म्यूट कर लो प्लीज. थैंक यू.
बनी वेटिंग मतलब सर. और ले नहीं खत्म काम आज का. नहीं खत्म.
सत्ते लेंगे
बस हो गए सर, जितने हो गए.
ठीक है.
मैं 2 मिनट बंद करता हूँ बस. अभी रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करूँगा सर.
क्यों?
और हो गए सर 20 मिनट
हो गया ना.
हाँ ऑलमोस्ट हो गया. अब उसका एंड कॉल करना बस है ना. उसके बाद एंड कॉल करना ना. ठीक है. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे टॉपिक इज ओवर फॉर अस. Tomorrow we'll be dealing what I told you, different types of committees and different types of tournament. We'll be dealing tomorrow. So that's all for today. First topic over, that is planning and objectives of planning. Meaning of planning, definitions of planning, and objectives of planning over. Tomorrow we'll start with other topic. Okay, thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.